After shakeup at the Mecklenburg County District Attorney's Office, a longtime prosecutor was abruptly fired.
Outgoing DA Peter Gilchrist made the decision, and as Fox Charlotte's Morgan Fogarty reports, Goodenow could be rehired under the incoming DA.
It's complicated, not just for describing Facebook relationships, but also apparently those at the Mecklenburg County DA's office. The county's longtime and well-respected lead homicide prosecutor, Marsha Goodenow, has been abruptly fired. In an email allegedly written by her now ex-boss, outgoing District Attorney Peter Gilchrist, he calls Goodenow an excellent and ethical lawyer, but goes on to say that the relationship between himself and his most senior staff is a complex one that he can't discuss. The announcement has rocked Charlotte's legal community.
Charlotte Mecklenburg benefited greatly as having her as a prosecutor, and I'm from the other side of the table.
Defense attorney Bill Powers calls Goodenow a leader and a consummate professional. He says there's not a major capital murder case in town that Goodenow hasn't touched, including serial killer Henry Louis Wallace, Fred Lane, David Crespi, and most recently, convicted cop killer Demetrius Montgomery.
She took a really tough case with some terrible circumstances and really wove some magic in that case.
It's that skill that has many wondering if incoming District Attorney Andrew Murray will make a play to rehire Goodenow when he takes office January 1st. When I spoke to him on the phone, he told me he was not privy to Peter's decision to fire Goodenow, had no comment on it, and that it was too early to say if he'd rehire her. Not everyone is disappointed to see Goodenow go. The mother of Brock Franklin, the young man convicted of driving drunk and killing 2 people on I-485, tells me, based on our experience with her, we feel the firing is appropriate.
There are a lot of people sitting in prison who she put there.
Tongues are wagging about what's next for Goodenow, who was less than a year from retirement. Morgan Fogarty, Fox News.
We contacted Gilchrist and Goodenow for comment, but did not hear back from either of them.